Hello dudes and dudettes, welcome back to Monster Rancher 2. Sorry for the delay in uploads. I've been feeling a bit under the weather, but I got some tea. That might help. It doesn't help. It made it worse. No. I think last I left off I mentioned that I was going to try to get Slashy's power level up. And I've done so, as you can see. So again, I hope that's what I set out to do, because here we are. Oops. No, I don't want Slashy to rest. Alright, so let's see what we got. Well, tomorrow we got the Blizzard Cup. So maybe we should rest. Maybe just do more training. What does he need? What do I want to do next? Probably defense, right? Defense could do with a bit of a boost. Everything else is pretty decent. So let's get you well defended there. Let's bash you with some logs. You want fish? Well, fuck off. He got a little spoiled while I was training him, it turns out. So that's something I need to look out for. Holy shit, Slashy. Jesus Christ! My 1-year-old and his mug of sake he carries around. Yeah, I'll praise him for that. I also played with Slashy off camera when I was training him. He wanted to play, and it's a completely different game from what Falcor wanted to play. It's interesting. But like the game Falcor wanted to play, it fucking blows. Like, I could not do anything with it. It's like a first-person shooter, and it's just, yeah, no. Not doing a first-person shooter. Yes, we're gonna participate in the Blizzard Cup. Not gonna give Slashy direction, or I am gonna give Slashy directions. I'm not gonna let him go do his own thing. I still think that's probably for the best that we do it that way. Learning from what we did with Falcor. Blizzard Cup is about to start. Let's go for it. And who we have here? Same old song and dance. Looks like it. We got Oakley Man coming up. So we got a blob. I forgot how to battle, but it shouldn't matter. I'm just gonna hit X as soon as I possibly can. Hold on. I also got a new phone, which looks like the timer still goes even when it shuts down, so that's nice. Got a better timer. So yeah, we got everything but life on him, so. Hopping Claw! Bam! Yeah! Alright. Alright, Slashy. Hopping Claw again, why not? Bam! Alright. Let's get in close for a Thrust Claw. Alright, I feel like a Pokemon Master already. Oh, dodge it. Okay, good job. Good job, Slashy. You got this, you got this. Slash Claw! Sniggity snack! And kabow. He went down. It's commentary. What the hell? Do you just lick his claws? Slashy is winning me over more and more. So we got Falcor's buddy and Nats. Looks like Nats won. Let's do it. See, this one has speed on us? I don't remember. Yeah. No, we have everything. We literally have everything on it. Ha! Alright. I might have trained Slashy to be too good in this. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Oh. What the? He only has gas? What the hell? What? This isn't... It hasn't been like that before, has it? He's only got one... Oh, he's got 2 moves, but they're only in one spot. That's so weird. I never knew. So I don't want to be... I don't have any moves on that section anyway, so... Yeah, this thing's dodging. Let's give the rabbit the old hopping claw. Bam! Alright, let's move in. Let's move in for the kill. It's faster than that, Slashy. Why is it faster? There we go. Bam! Yeah, just stay close. Maybe another one. Another KO. Oh, yeah. Did I already beat E-Cup with Slashy and completely forgot? Look at that victory! Oh, it's weird. I mean, I feel like just training strength would not have boosted us this well. I don't know. And also, it's not like his, what is it, loyalty. Yeah, his loyalty sucks. It's not like it's gotten that much better when I was training him, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but it's awesome, whatever it is. I'm not complaining. It may sound like it, but that's just my normal voice. Yeah, I got everything on Leon. And mashing the button. Aw, foolery. Slashy. You betrayed me. And I can't take it anymore. Are you full? I think there's foolery there. Thrust Claw. Right in his face. Oh, so sorry, Leon. Oh, jeez. Oh, he don't care. Oh, God. Oh, spamming attacks, eh? Well, I can do the same. You dick. Yeah, come on. Before he's even up. Just get him again, yeah. Fuck you, Leon. Oh, God. 3 KOs. Alright. I'm okay with this decision. Oh, man, if this doesn't give us some fame, I don't know what will. Or, I mean, some good fame. We'll probably get fame regardless. God damn. I wonder if KOs get you the bonus money. There's the glitch in the emulation. Good old brown screen. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. 150 bonus. I don't know what the bonus is. Oh yeah, we got disc chips. I forgot there's prizes. Fame. Only 11. Wow. That's pathetic. I think Slashy has learned a lesson this tournament. Oh yeah. None of it is defense, eh? Well, speed being increased could be cool. Was it power and intelligence goes into? I still don't know what skill does. I forgot how to look it up. Praise it? Oh, how did I do this with Falcor? Yeah, I'll praise it for the 3 KOs. I personally feel like it should be praised. I don't know what it's going to do to the stats, but I feel like he deserved that. So his mug is glitchy and it's really bugging me. What, is he not tired? You ready for some training, Slash? Slash McBash? No. Yeah, I don't remember how I got to help. Here you can save your game and play a certain point. Well, help. Data your monster raising. However, you cannot see anything if you do not have a monster. Okay. How did I look at what each stat meant? I feel like I've done that before. Yeah, so those 3 power type moves now finally has some power behind it. So. Oh, you know what? It's training, drill. And then if I go to the skill one, help. There we go. Success rate of its attack also increases. So skill's pretty good, but I kind of like speed. But also defense. Defense definitely needs to go up. So let's just go 100%. And skip. Finally, these are going up by decent amounts. Maybe it has to do with age. Like, how much of a scrub he is depends on how much he gains from training. Oh, God. And it's the most expensive taste. God damn it, 300 a month. Goddamn meat. Yeah. Creepy old man. Creepy 1-year-old man. Battle. Let's do some more training. And he should still be in good spirits for the official tournament. We're getting him out of the E-Cup. That's right. Yep. Oh, she actually says he's in good shape for it. She usually doesn't think so. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do our best. Even though usually the scrub tournaments are no indication of how hard the official tournament is, but whatever. We've had that song and dance multiple times. Grade E. Young monsters gather in place with the ambitions to become tomorrow's star. It's the time to start the official tournament. Why does that seem so weird to me? Leon, Harry Kicks, Juno Mole, and Lontar. Let's fuck him up, Slashy. Okay, life is pretty good. Everything else we got. Alright. Mashing the X button. Mashing the X button. Yeah! Alright, let's just stay back. Let's stay back. He only has close-up moves. No, stay back. Hopping Claw again. Bam! Oh, he dodged it. Fucking did it. He fucking did. Oh, he's backing up. That fool! Oh, speaking of. Hoppin' Claw! Yeah. Yes! We're not even gonna take... Okay, fine. He wants to get up close. Let's get up close. You fucking deal with the Slash Claw attack. Schniggity schnack. Okay. It has skill. We have skill barely on it. It has defense and life. Which means... Mash the X button. Hiya! Whatcha? Ah, fuck. Alright, this thing can dodge, despite its whale-like features. This thing can move. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, right in the gut. Oh, no. That's some internal bleeding right there. I have to get that looked at. Alright, he won't let us get far away. He's smart. So let's get up close. Yeah. I like that. Uh-oh. Foolery. Dodge it! Oh, you gotta dodge. Oh, Jesus. You really gotta dodge. There we go. There we go. Yeah, he's not letting me back up. Alright, Slash Claw. Maybe if we get right up in his face. Yeah, there we go. All he's got is slap close up. Let's take advantage of that. Yeah, that's dick. He does dick. Oh, in fact, I think we have it won. Hopping Claw. Oh, come on! Hopping Claw! Hopping Claw! Hopping Claw! Ah! Oh. Yeah, I think we won it. If we didn't... Okay. I was gonna say, if we didn't, then I don't... Then I failed math. Once again. I'm not even in school anymore, and I failed math again. We already know about all of his... Yeah, okay. Mash and X! Oh, he only has close-up moves, too. I like this Hopping Claw, even though it's not... Doesn't seem to do anything. I especially like it when they randomly start backing up. It's like, you can't do anything, so why would you not try to get in close? Yeah, back up. That's right. That's what I thought. There we go. Alright, so now we got the home field advantage here. Even though that's not what the home field advantage is, but whatever. Getting close, Slash Claw. Slash his fucking ugly face. Ow. We caught our beautiful visage. And Hopping Claw again. Just use up all of our guts. Something Falcor never did was use his guts. Just sit around doing jack shit. Oh, he dodged even during the foolery, eh? Oh, man. Your trainer sucks, buddy. Letting you do all the foolery. Why don't you listen to him, eh? You should probably listen to him. So, you know, end up in a grave. It's dark. Oh, Jesus. Okay. He really went for it at the end there. Yeah, I definitely want to up speed. I like that. Skill doesn't hurt either. I mean, honestly, all of them don't hurt. Except for intelligence, because I don't really need intelligence for anything. We have intelligence? Alright, Leon. Sorry to have to do this again to you, buddy. Oh, shit! Your fucking foolery. You blew it up. Oh, hey, I just noticed the hit percentage down at the bottom. Am I bad? Am I bad at Monster Rancher? I just now noticed that there's a hit percentage thing. Because Hopping Claw is at 50%, now it's at 51%. I don't know what determines that, honestly. Oh, Jesus, Leon! I was too busy looking at the hit percentage. Oh, God. Nobody tell Falcor. I feel so bad. Oh yeah, we already know about you. Hopping Claw, 49%, I don't care. Bash it! Bash it! Bam! Huh, now it's at 45. I wonder if it's the amount of times you... Oh, he has an attack there. Okay. This guy, I'm not safe anywhere. Except for back here, but 48%. Like, now that I know that that's there, like... Oh, shit, fuck. maybe the amount of guts? I think I predicted that before. The amount of guts might have to do with the percentage, but I also feel like how many times you do it at once determines the chance it'll hit. Hey, what the? There was foolery there. Oh, you fuck off. I saw the foolery. Don't tell me he just went right into another attack after foolery. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, fine. Oh, God. Don't let him attack again. Slap? Is that gonna... Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, Jesus! Did we win? Oh, not even close. God damn it. Ah, that's gonna piss me off now. I don't care if we won the tournament. Oh, actually, Lontar might tie it with us. Yeah, it's only Lontar. Lontar versus Hari Kicks. Come on, Hari Kicks. Come on. Yeah, thank you. I didn't want to have to fight another battle. Slashy! Woo! Woo, Slashy! Sorry. I know it's annoying, but I do it anyway. I don't get it either. Holy 700? What kind of chicken shit outfit is this? Alright, it's getting better. Alright, so that's the end of this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Slashy finally start kicking ass. Again, I don't know why he has nothing but power moves, and yes, starts with high intelligence and low power. Yeah, I'm not going to praise him. Nope. I don't care if you're angry, buddy. Lick those claws all I want. You're not getting no loving out of me. Alright, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Good boo.